What's going on, y'all? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making candied bacon crackers. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need club crackers, cream cheese, bacon, jalapeno, barbecue rub, brown sugar, and crushed red pepper. Begin by slicing the jalapeno. Slice bacon into fourths. Thinly slice a block of cream cheese. Lay out the club crackers on a wire rack with a baking sheet underneath. Place a slice of cream cheese on each cracker. Top each piece of cream cheese with a slice of bacon. Sprinkle brown sugar on top. Lightly season with barbecue rub. Top with a jalapeno. Sprinkle crushed red pepper on top. Bake at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And there you have it, candied bacon crackers. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.